Hey, this is Dan with GetTheSmokeOut.com. Just got a little bit of feedback from a customer, and she said it was okay for me to share it. So, as you can see here, this is an email I got from Debbie Walker of Point Place Marina in Natchitoches, Louisiana. So, good morning. This is Debbie Walker letting you know we installed the smoke eater over the weekend and love it. My installer came up with a great plan and built a shelf near the ceiling without hanging it, and it's working perfectly. Getting positive feedback from our customers already. So as you can see here, here's the Point Place Marina, and here up in this on this shelf here is the SRS 2000. It's our largest box style machine. It typically hangs from the ceiling by eye bolts, but in this case, because she couldn't figure out how to hang it without it being too low, her contractor built a nice shelf for her. So if you are ever in Natchitoches, Louisiana, please stop by the Point Place Marina and tell Debbie that you heard about her place on GetTheSmokeOut.com. So if you've got questions, if you've got a place that you want to get rid of some smoke in, by all means, reach out to me. The number is in the description below or here on Facebook. So thank you. Talk soon.